Good day everyone, my name is Trisha Maridio. Together with my group, we are reporting about informal economy and taxation challenges. So first, definition of the problem. In the definition of the problem, there are two definitions of the problem. So first is, the informal economy includes economic activities not regulated or taxed by the government. Second, workers lack formal contracts and social protection, leading to vulnerability. So, today, Mr. Brona will report about data and statistics.
Informal economy taxation challenges. So, good afternoon everyone. I will discuss the data and statistics. So, in the Philippines, 38.6% of total employment in 2023 was informal in Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA. Billions of pesos in potential tax revenue lost annually due to informality, BIR estimate.
Causes and effects. So here are the root causes. There are two root causes. First, complex registration process. The registration process is too complicated, making it hard for people to sign up. Second, lack of formalization incentives. There are not enough reasons or benefits to encourage people to register. So the root causes has effects on society. First, no social protection or benefits. Without registration, people miss out on important help from the government. And the last one, reduce government revenue. Less registration means less tax money for government to use for services. So the complicated registration process and lack of incentives lead to fewer people registering, resulting in a lack of social support and less money for the government. This harms for both individuals and the country as a whole.
So kung mayroong taog proposed group solution, nani siya mobile caravans for business registration, dayon na po ni siya pa free digital tools and training, dayon ang last mao ni siya ang outreach to online small vendors.
The proposed group solutions. Formalization incentives package offering a 1-year tax holiday for newly registered business is an interesting approach to encourage formalization and growth. Kaning formalization incentives, mao ni siya ang incentive to encourage sa business to formalize and register with the relevant authorities. While ang kaning 1-year tax holiday for newly registered business kay exempted siya for paying taxes for the first year operations.